Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to explore one of Figma's most versatile tools, the Pen Tool. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your skills, this guide will help you master the Pen Tool for creating custom shapes and paths. Let's get started. So the Pen Tool in Figma is essential for creating custom vector shapes and paths. Let's start by opening a new file in Figma to get familiar with the basics. So here, to access the pen tool, you just need to look the pen icon in the toolbar on the top left. You can also activate it by pressing the P key on your keyboard. Now let's start by creating straight lines. Click on the canvas to add anchor points, and each click will add a new point and create a straight line between points. To finish your path, either press Enter or click the first anchor point to close the shape. Next, let's create curved paths. Click and drag to add an anchor point and pull out handles that control the curvature. The longer the handles, the more pronounced the curve. So you can continue clicking and dragging to add more curve points. Once you've created a path, you can refine it by editing anchor points and handles. Use the Move tool or shortcut press V on your keyboard to select your path. Click on an anchor point to reveal its handles, then adjust them to refine the curve. You can also combine straight lines and curve in a single path. Click for the straight line, then click and drag for the curve. So continue alternating between clicking and dragging to create a mixed path. So this pen tool is great for creating custom shapes. So let's create a simple icon, a heart icon. Start by clicking to lay down the basic structure, then use curves to refine the shape. Remember, you can always go back and adjust anchor points and handles. And that's it. You've learned how to use Figma's pen tool to create custom shapes and paths. With practice, you'll be able to create intricate designs with ease. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more design tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.